it?
What's happening? How's lockdown?
Oh, Delhi में तो अभी नहीं है, but I was about to ask this question to you. What do you think about the current situation?
It's so bad. It's so bad. It feels. I mean, the only thing is, I like it because it's silent. But यार shoot नहीं हो रहा, सब कुछ रुक गया है, तो that is a bit hectic. तो ठीक है, but you can't do anything.
Yeah, but
Safety is
people
first.
are, people are so careless. So, do you want to say anything about that?
Yeah, that is there, man. Like, that's literally, I think people aren't taking this very seriously, and it's actually a good thing that the lockdown happened, because agar ye nahi hota तो people would have not taken this seriously. So once their whole work is stopping, चीजें रुक रही हैं, तो लोगों को जब वो इफेक्ट होगा, लोगों को जब रियलाइज होगा, that's when they'll take it more seriously. So I think we humans like it the hard way.
Anyways, इस टाइम पर भी आप हमें OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पर एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं with your show सुमेर सिंह केस फाइल्स गर्लफ्रेंड्स. सो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस इस शो पर काम करने का, सबके साथ काम करने का, रणविजय के साथ, how was the experience?
It was lovely to work with the whole team. Learned a lot from everybody. Ranvijay especially, he's obviously a senior. He's been in the industry for so long. तो उनसे हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ, मतलब सेट पे जाके we used to have a lot of fun. मस्ती तो हम करते ही थे because it's Ranvijay, but also I learned a lot from him. और जब पहली बार सेट पे गई थी तो 4 लड़कियां थी, तो एक होता है अंदर से कि यार it should be nice, it shouldn't be catty, but luckily we all got along really well. We used to share lunch and khate the, we used to chill, so it was a good experience. As a character also, we'll talk about that later, but so
Yes, I was about to ask this. This is my next question. जिन्होंने अभी तक शो नहीं देखा है, उनको प्लीज अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताइए.
So Nirali Banerjee is a psychologist. She's a teacher, which was so different than what I am in my real life. So it was a very different character for me to play than what all characters I've played before. Ragni, in Ujra Chaman, I played Aina. This is a crazy bunch of 4 girlfriends who made Sumer Singh's life a living hell. उसको पता भी नहीं था कि उसके साथ ये सब होने वाला है. तो इन शॉर्ट ये जिन्होंने नहीं देखा है, प्लीज देखिए. बहुत सारा ड्रामा है, आप लोगों को एंड तक पता नहीं चलेगा कि किसने क्या किया है. हम सब इक्वल सस्पेक्ट हैं और बहुत मजेदार है. प्लीज देखिए एंड टेल मी हाउ यू गाइज लाइक इट.
ट्रेलर तो काफी ज्यादा मिस्टीरियस लग रहा है, बिकॉज अभी तक शो मैंने भी नहीं देखा है. ट्रेलर तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और रिस्पॉन्स भी काफी अच्छा मिला है. सो पर्सनली किस तरह के रिव्यूज मिल रहे हैं आपको?
तो पीपल, एज आई सेड, कि लोगों ने मुझे बहुत डिफरेंट रोल में देखा है. तो दिस रोल पीपल आर लाइक, आई फील लाइक पीपल आर एक्सेप्टिंग मी मोर लाइक एन एक्टर नाउ. दे लाइक कि पहले they've seen me do only like roles where I was very pretty, very sexy, and stuff like that. So I feel I can sense that acceptance from people of she can act, she's a good actor. So it is a good feeling, it's like acha lag raha hai ki at least now maybe after this I'll be able to do like a good project with good content. कुछ मजेदार कुछ काम करने के लिए आगे मिलेगा because of this.
So social media पे we have seen you have 2 million followers. Congratulations for the big family.
Thank you so much. Love you guys.
तो इतनी बड़ी फैमिली के साथ थोड़े से नेगेटिव लोग भी आते ही हैं, थोड़ी सी ट्रोलिंग तो होती ही है. तो हाउ डू यू हैंडल दैट?
I honestly have stopped caring. There was a time where I used to get affected by people, and it used to bother me if someone slut shamed me on Instagram. I used to put bikini photos, and they used to, say things. But now I think I'm just somebody who, doesn't care, and I'm just like, I remember abhi beach mein, I wouldn't name, but there was somebody who had posted a picture in a bikini, and how old men were trolling this girl, this 18-year-old girl. They were trolling her. So I just feel there are people who are sitting right there, and they just talk, just so you shouldn't get affected. I personally try to not get myself into it at all.
Actually, you are inspiration for a lot of young girls. They look up to you, so they want to be like you actually. So please उनके लिए कोई advice कि how do you maintain yourself? How do you stay fit?
I would say कि मैं honestly अगर बताऊं तो I eat a lot of food, but at the same time during the lockdown I started doing a lot of yoga. तो I would say कि अगर आप लोगों को कुछ भी physical activity पसंद है, it can be dancing, it can be going for a run, it can be Zumba, it can just be gymming. So I think it's very important that you put an exercise in your lifestyle. That is very important. Food, I feel मैं तो खाती हूँ, मतलब I love home food, so I eat a lot of, and I started cooking in the lockdown, so that is there. And just be healthy in your mind also. If you, when you're inside, say you're happy, then you glow from outside as well. So don't stress, guys. It's life is easy. Take one step at a time. And people are very scared to come in the industry, and they're like, oh my god, Bollywood and whatnot. But I feel it's a very good world. It's given me a lot. So please don't be scared. If that's what your dream is, if you're passionate about acting, please go. I couldn't go to FTI, I couldn't go to NST, I couldn't go to a film school because उस time मुझे पता नहीं था. But if you really want to be an actor, I would suggest please go to an acting school, because if you want to be an engineer, I'm sure you've studied journalism. So it's so important that we study acting or filmmaking before going into the business. So yeah.
Okay, so that was great advice. जो लोग आना चाहते हैं उनको आपने थोड़ा सा डर कम कर दिया, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे नोशंस बन जाते हैं अबाउट इंडस्ट्री कि यहाँ पर ये सही नहीं है, वो सही नहीं है, नहीं जाना चाहिए, कईयों के पेरेंट्स अलाउ नहीं करते हैं. सो योर पेरेंट्स वर सपोर्टिव?
My parents, I'm from Patna, तो वहाँ पे भी जैसे आपने कहा कि डर होता है पेरेंट्स को, तो मेरी मम्मी को भी डर था सेम कि कैसे होगा इंडस्ट्री में, तो ऐसा होता है, बिकॉज दे हैव हर्ड सो मच, दैट्स द थिंग. लोग मुझे मिलते भी हैं तो अभी दे लाइक, oh you're so sweet यार, like I was like, but आपको कैसे पता मैं sweet नहीं हूँ, like there's an assumption कि अगर ये एक्ट्रेस है तो ये ऐसे ही होगी, इसने रागनी किया है तो ये, मतलब I faced in my own life. But I think one should just focus and work on themselves. Agar if you have a talent, if you love dancing, please work hard. Put it on YouTube. अब तो हमारे पास Instagram है, YouTube है, Reels है. We can just put our content there and it can work wonders. So.
Okay, so गर्लफ्रेंड्स तो आ चुका है भूत पर और लोगों ने देखना भी कर दिया है, पसंद भी कर लिया है. इसके बाद हम आपको कहाँ देखेंगे? About your future project?
जल्दी मुझे नेक्स्ट ईयर किसी एक बड़े से फिल्म में देखेंगी. उसकी शूटिंग होने वाली है जल्दी, बता नहीं सकती हूँ. एक और अभी मैंने गाना किया है, इट्स विद कुकी गुलाटी. ही इज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ बिग बुल, सो very good experience with him also. It was a great music video which is going to be out. उसमें मैं बहुत hot और it's a very nice song where I'm dancing, so I'm super excited for that. Yeah.
Okay, so all the best for all your future projects. And
yeah, Thank you so much. It was so lovely talking to you.
Same here. Thank you so much for
Bye.
doing this
Good luck to
interview.
you
Bye.
also.